What's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy Amos. I'm back with another video. Keeping on with our Halloween thing, we're going to do us a little jack-o'-lantern. Because you can't think of fall, you can't think of nice, cool weather without Halloween, without Thanksgiving, without fall. First thing that comes to mind with fall, pumpkins. Pumpkins come everywhere. They're everywhere. Just everywhere. And what else comes with it? Pumpkin spice everything. Pumpkin spice coffee, pumpkin spice lattes, just pumpkin spice everything. And so we're going to go ahead and do us a little jack o' lantern. Now these come from the Canon site, just the standard Canon printer sites, which I thought was pretty awesome of them. But I didn't see any videos on actually assembling them, so that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to show you how to assemble them. Pretty simple. It's just a one-page print, and we'll see how it turns out here in just a minute. So let me get this all cut out and scored up and folded up, and we'll be right back. Alright, we got all this cut out now, got everything scored up, got it all pre-folded. Let's go ahead and get started. Get my glue stick here. I'm trying to figure out what's the easiest way to start. Now, I know it's going to have us go up like this. Or we're going to have to do these together. And I missed the folds. Let me go ahead and fold this one. We'll go ahead and score it, I should say. There we go. So I know the green's going to go here, blue's going to go on the top. And then these are going to fold inside. I'm guessing our face is going to go to the next one. Yep, I believe that is how it's going to go, so let's go ahead and get this started here. Just like that. And that's where our face is going to go. Let's go ahead and get the rest of these all glued in. And I know it's really hard to see, but when you cut this out, don't forget to put the little slit in the top, and that's where our stem is going to go. Let's go ahead and, before I do the top on it, glue all of our blue dots here. Sometimes it's easy to glue these, and sometimes it is not. But I don't think this one's going to give me too much of a problem. At least at the moment. But you know, that could change in the blink of an eye. But this is a pretty simple one. You know, it's pretty fast and not a whole lot to it. Now we'll be getting into some more detailed ones as time goes on. But at the moment, we're just going to keep it simple. Glue up both sides of our stem here. A little pumpkin stem. Let's see if we can get these glued on there without totally destroying this thing. So far, so good, right? We'll quit pulling it apart at the same time. That would just help so much. I don't know if I'm going to be able to reach it with this or not. Yeah, I guess that is going to fit that way. Now then, where is it at? There's a little cut in here to reach that flap. But I'm also not too entirely worried. That's that little flap. But seem to have gotten it. And there you go. Little mini jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. Or pumpkin or whatever you call them. Just something quick and efficient. I need to go back over that. I'll put a little bit more glue on there and glue a couple of the corners down a little bit better. But y'all get the idea. So always remember, when you're cutting stuff out, be safe. Safety's number one. And be sure to like, subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. Something you want to see made, leave it in the description. I'll get to it as soon as I'm able to. And y'all take care.